Black.
Look, you talking about adding more weight. Damn, Black, what you doing? It's all behind you, Black. Man, this nigga Black. I can't.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person.
Pedal out here. We all in one boat. Black.
Oh. Hold him.
Nah, I only turned around for 2 seconds. I don't know what happened between him and his pole this quick.
It ain't really. You probably set the hook. You probably still got the fish. Is really?
No, it is.
He still on there?
Fuck no.
Damn.
How much of this nigga?